All right, I'm going to finish up on this sandbar and move on. But question of the day. If this is authentic, if this is something that was used to grind grain, then that's a great day. I'm not sure. So curious as to your thoughts. And then this one for sure is a keeper. This beautiful little piece that was worked somewhere back in time. That is a thrill to find that one. But yeah, along with that, I'm not sure, but it's heavy. So I'm on the fence whether I want to drag this with me or not if this is not authentic. I'm thinking about it.